But let's go add some expenses. Now, there are a lot of ways to do this. Let's just say that you have rent, office rent. So you could just put office rents, or you could bundle together your office and your utilities and your internet all under just a line item for office. And you create an expense category. You notice that we don't have any categories created for expenses like we did for income, because income categories and expense categories are different. So, maybe we call this just facility. And oops, I typoed that, but I can go fix that. So actually, I'll go over here to settings and just type right here to fix it and save it. And I'm going to go back to the expense and I'm going to type in office again, and I'll pick facility. And let's say that my office costs with, utilities and internet and everything, $4,200 a month. And I pay that monthly on about the 5th. You could forecast if, for example, your rent goes up every year. You could do something like this. Let's say it goes up 10%. So that would be $46.20. So let's say you looked at the contract and you know that every year it's going to go up, some amount. And you would end this anytime before July 5th is fine. 2021. End that on 2022. And let's say then after that you're out of your lease and you can renegotiate. Ta-da. So now we'll go back to our reports and we see that we are beginning to build a forecast of our cash flow, right?